Sir, it is loading. One more day, sir.
Okay.
Actually, it is taking 3 days of time, sir. Whenever I'm doing simulation.
Okay. So what is the capacity of the like RAM capacity or processor quad core
Uh,
or single core
it's
PC?
128 GB RAM, sir.
128 GB RAM. Okay.
Yes, sir. That's why I'm unable to understand why it is
Can
taking.
you open the model?
Yes, yes, sir.
Xeon processor only. Okay.
Yes,
Oh, the Dell E52660, right? Dell
yes, sir.
PC.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Can you go to the CST?
One second, sir. It's... Actually, this is not my screen, sir. It is I am online. I am
Yeah,
accessing
yeah.
that,
I
sir.
can understand. Remote desktop, your login.
Yes, sir. What is the general time, sir? Simulating.
No, no. See, there is no ideal time. So
Okay.
you see, can you see 128 GB means it will work. It should work within 1 hour or so. Okay, I
Okay.
don't know why it's taking. So there are a couple of reasons. One is maybe the processor is maybe not supporting. Like you are having 128 GB. You
Yes,
can
sir.
go to taskbar and check whether 128 GB is used or not. Taskbar.
Okay, sir.
No, no. In that PC itself, taskbar.
Yes,
Can you go to taskbar?
yes, sir. One second.
Not in that PC.
It,
Yeah,
it is.
yeah. Let it open. Yeah, taskbar, task manager. Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Can you go to that? I think no, not this. Performance. CPU is complete. How many cores? Two sockets. 28 cores. Oh my god. You have very good PC. 2 gigahertz.
Actually,
Okay.
my guide provided this one, sir, because I'm
Okay.
struggling, so I understand.
Okay. 105 GB is used. Okay. Why?
Yes.
I don't know. Only partially. 105 is used. Then it should work actually. So what frequency you are operating?
5.75, sir.
So can you go to the CST model? Here actually, three mesh shells, right? 3 crore 90 lakhs 217 I think 3
Yes, sir.
crore 39 crore mesh
Yes,
shells
sir.
are there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That you can reduce and see. Okay. That is only
Okay.
way. Because
Okay.
your horn is bulky and also the array is there and you are keeping some at some distance, so the entire structure, the entire volume will be meshed. Okay, that's why it
Okay.
is taking time. If it is symmetric, right, but I don't think it is symmetric, right?
Yes, sir. It is not symmetric, sir. That is.
Non-symmetric, yeah. If it is
Yes.
symmetric, you can use another option in the
Okay.
boundaries. Okay,
Okay. Got it.
so
Yes,
that
sir.
boundaries, yeah, you can symmetric about x y axis or y z axis, x z or y
Yes.
z axis. You can use
Yes, sir.
symmetric, but
Yes.
now I think it's not possible because
Yes. Yes.
one
Yes.
quadrant you can initially simulate, and then once you optimize that, then finally you can simulate the entire structure.
Yes, sir. Yes, that is the problem. So, how to reduce these mesh cells?
You can go to global parameters, mesh simulation, global properties, mesh view, global properties are there, right.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. No, no, click on that dot top. No, no, no.
Yes, sir.
There. You can click.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah, here again you are seeing that near to model your cells per wavelength number of cells is 15. You are
Yes,
giving
sir.
us 15. You can reduce to 10.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
and
Okay, sir.
box edge you are giving 20. You can give it to
Okay.
10 like that. Okay,
Okay.
you
Okay,
can
sir.
just and a fraction of maximum cell fraction
Okay.
of
Yes.
also you have given 15. You
Yes,
can
sir.
reduce that to 10, or 15 means 1 by 15. Okay,
Okay.
so that
Okay.
means,
Okay. We
so
can give
minimum
one by
cell will
four.
be size is very very low. So that's
Okay.
why it is taking long time actually. You can
Okay,
just
sir.
use um, First, initially, see, for just for simulating purpose, you can use less mesh size. Okay. Once you are done with that, then you can use the refined high large mesh size, because the variation will not be too much. Okay. So you will
Okay.
get at least most of the parameters, that is radiation pattern. At least for example, side lobe level may improve. Okay. Once you increase the and beam width maybe slightly 0.5 degree or 1 degree difference will be there. But other than that, you will get the pattern at least. Okay.
Okay,
We
sir.
want to
Okay.
see the pattern, right? So that's
Yes,
why
sir. Yes,
you
sir.
can reduce the mesh size and then do the simulation. So
Yes, sir.
once you are getting comfortable results, after that once you are optimizing the focal distance, as I said before, you have
Okay.
to optimize the focal distance. Then
Okay, sir.
once you focal distance is locked, okay, if you're beyond that, nothing is changing, right?
Okay,
Then
sir.
you can lock the focal distance and the array, everything, and then you can do the simulation with the higher mesh size. Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
that you can. Okay, that is one thing.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So one more thing, focal distance. No, you cannot. I think you cannot optimize randomly, right? So what you
Yes.
can do is initially you can start with the 20 or 30 gap. Okay,
Okay, sir.
you
Okay,
can
sir.
go beyond out of the off the box, or towards the refractory or off the refractory,
Okay.
both the cases. Then
Okay.
then okay, once you get the, for example, 10 mm 20 initially you are doing, then you are seeing okay, in this area it is improving, then you can reduce it to 20 instead of 20, and those area you can do for 5 or 10 like that. Then you can
Okay.
reduce 2 3 like that. I think 2
Okay.
3 and all doesn't matter. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Will not matter much, because unless
Yes, sir.
if it is a tiny refractory, and it will not matter much. But if
Okay,
it is
sir.
somewhat bigger refractory, then means it will not it will not matter much. If it is a tiny refractory, 1 2 also will matter much. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So you have to initially you have to do the course find course simulation,
Okay, sir.
course location, and
Okay,
then
sir.
you can fine tune it, and then you can finally vary the distance and then do it the simulation. That's it.
Okay, sir. Okay,
So
sir.
as I mentioned, so now the thing is, you have to ensure that the 10 degree we were talking, right? Like
Yes,
horn
sir.
antenna. For horn
Yes,
antenna,
sir.
radiation pattern you have taken. So for
Yes, sir.
10 dB, which degree is coming, or at what angle we are getting the 10 dB? Okay,
Okay.
then what you can do is once you get that, then
Okay.
you have to calculate for your refractory. So what angle you are
Okay.
getting? As I mentioned, with the focal distance and the half of the refractory size, then what you can do is you can just calculate the theta, and then this angle, that angle, what taper you are expecting. For example, initially in general they use 10 dB taper. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So from the radiation pattern you can find out 10 dB where it is.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh, one more thing. No, no. Can you go back to that horn antenna, horn simulation? I think I told wrong. That is not correct. Okay, horn simulation. Can you go to? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here, see, main lobe is 15 dB, right?
Yes, sir.
10 dB is not this. Okay, right click on that. Right click. No, no, just right click. Just right click.
Yes, sir.
Okay, here, far field properties. Here, okay, can you go to plot mode? Plot mode. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Here, use current max. Can you give current max? Use current max. No, no, right. On the right,
Yes,
you
sir.
have one
Yes, sir.
option, right? Yeah.
Yes.
And
Yes, sir.
apply it. Now you got the normalization, right? Now
Yes,
you
sir.
can see main lobe magnitude is 0.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Can you click
Okay.
OK?
Okay, sir.
Now you have to move the marker to 10 dB.
Yes, sir. Okay.
That's
This is
it.
the null location. Okay.
So that is the
Is
exact angle.
yes, sir.
Yeah,
30
yeah. You can
degrees.
move that. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So how much is coming? 29
Fine.
degree.
Yes, sir.
29 degree,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
So, but I don't think your refractory and horn, I know for actually you are getting 29 at 29 degree only. You are getting 10 dB taper, right?
Yes, sir.
But your horn position, I don't think it will be 29 degree, right?
Okay. Maybe, sir. Actually, I just simulated only horn, sir. I am not using reflector surface in this simulation. Only horn I am simulating
No,
here.
no, no, no. Here only horn. What I am saying is, see, and 29 degree only you are getting 10 dB, right? Minus
Yes,
10
sir.
dB. Okay.
Yes.
This is the radiation pattern of the horn, that the same horn you are using as a feed, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I'm saying is, can you go back to that reflector? Okay. Here, can you show me the structure? Yeah. Here,
Yes, sir.
can you see here? From the center to the edge. I don't think it will be a 29. It will not be 29 degree, right? It will be less than that, right?
Yes, sir.
So what I'm
It will
trying
be.
to say, the horn is emitting radiation pattern, but till the edge you are getting only the maybe 5 dB taper or 3 dB taper or 5 dB taper or 10 dB taper.
Okay.
Only that.
Okay.
That's why I said you have to
Okay.
calculate the angle.
Yes, sir.
For example, the focal distance, the
Okay.
array size. Half of the
Okay.
array size you have to take, and then focal distance. You
Okay.
can do the tan inverse of half of the array size divided by focal distance.
Okay.
Then you will get the theta, right?
Okay. Okay. Yes,
The
sir.
angle at which incident on the edge. Okay, the
Okay.
angle at which the rays incident getting impinged on the edge of the reflector ray is
Okay,
that
sir.
angle. Okay, so that
Okay, sir.
angle should match with the, for example, 30 degree. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
but I don't think this will become 30 degree.
Yes, sir. Maybe.
So that's why I'm saying, so you have to design horn antenna, some low gain horn antenna. Okay, it
Okay.
is high gain, 15 degree, 15 dB,
Okay.
right?
Yes,
Maybe
sir.
10 dB or so. What is the
Okay.
size of the reflector ray?
500 mm, 500 in X and Y direction, sir.
Okay, 500 mm.
Yes, sir.
So in that case, I think maybe 10 dB or 11 dB gain antenna would be good actually.
Okay, sir.
So you have to. So that is I'm saying I think there is actually some procedure I forgot actually. Actually to estimate the horn size based on the taper and all that is some procedure is there. I
Okay.
think I long back I did it, but now I don't remember. So what you can do is you can design horn antenna for 10 dB or so. Then you will
Okay.
get this a taper and all will be proper. Okay.
Okay.
In
Okay.
that paper you saw, right? So how much
Yes.
small is the horn antenna, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
that
sir.
is for login. I mean, 10 dB or 11 dB they could have
Okay.
designed.
Okay.
It's almost like a waveguide, right? So
Okay.
waveguide
Yes, sir.
size and horn size is not much
Yes, sir.
different, right?
Very equal,
Yes,
almost equal.
that's why I'm saying. Okay,
Okay. Okay, sir.
so
Uh,
they're giving, right. Can you go back to the paper?
yes, sir.
Can you zoom it little bit? Here. You can see here RF is there and
Yes, sir.
RU is there, right?
Yes, sir.
That distance is dictated by the theta, right?
Yes, sir.
That's theta. Okay. Angle subtended by horn with respect to R naught and RF, right? That is the angle.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So edge it should be taper. They might have mentioned taper. For example, 10 dB taper we have kept like that. They might have mentioned.
They
Okay,
are not mentioned, sir, actually.
mentioned, not
No,
mentioned.
yes, yes, sir.
Okay, usually they.
Actually, I
Hmm.
almost referred 20 papers, sir, on this topic, but no one is discussed about a horn
Yeah,
dimensions.
yeah. See, that is for just for illustration, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So when you see the proper reflector paper, then you will get that information also. So the horn is designed for 10 dB taper, 30 dB taper like that. Okay. So,
Okay.
okay. So okay, let us see that CST. Can you go back to CST? Then you wanted to see this plot, right?
Sir? Yes, sir. Again,
Yeah. Yeah.
first
Can
one.
you show? Yeah. Can you go to 2D plots? No, 2D fields. 2D fields. 2D, 3D.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. E field. Oh, nothing is coming.
Yes, sir. It is not coming.
Okay. So let me tell you the procedure, then you can check later. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Oh, nothing is coming. Then how we can do? Um, can you go to 2D, 3D plot on the top? Top. Yeah. No, not this, not this. No. Can you select the E field pattern?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. 2D, 3D plot on the top. No, no, on the top, top of the,
Oh,
yeah.
okay. Oh, okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you click on that?
Okay.
Yeah, here, can you see fields on planes? Fields on planes, right?
Fields on play.
Fields on planes, right,
Yes, sir.
right.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Here,
yes, sir.
yeah.
Okay.
Fields on draw fields on plane. Okay. Can you
Yes,
click
sir.
on that? Now,
Okay.
you have to check the cross section. Which cross section gives that particular
Okay.
thing? Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay.
that is showing, right? So with respect to thing
Yeah.
or what is, so you have to see the cross section. Next,
Okay.
you can have initially activate the all the cross section, then you can delete one by one. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Next is cutting plane. Can you just show the go to the cutting plane?
Yes, sir.
Cutting plane. Can you click on the cutting plane? So which plane you want to cut? Position is
Okay.
mentioned there. 245 mm, right?
Okay.
Normal is x-axis. So
Okay.
okay, you have to mention z-axis and then you have to mention the position. At that
Okay.
position, you will get that plot, that same plot,
Okay.
whatever you are
Okay.
getting. Yeah.
Okay.
This is how they are taking.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay. This is actually cutting point. And how to calculate bandwidth, sir, in this type of reflector array? Even reflector array, based on which parameters?
Bandwidth.
Yes, sir. Bandwidth.
See, you can see the bandwidth is a relative parameter. You can just either use gain, okay? Gain, for
Okay.
example, 1 dB gain is there, bandwidth is there, which
Yes, sir.
means, for example, you have X frequency and Y frequency, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So at Z frequency, you are getting 25 dB, for example, gain, okay?
Okay.
25
Okay.
dB. So
Okay.
between X and Y, you should not, the gain should not deviate
Okay.
plus or minus 1. That's it,
Okay. Okay.
or less than 1. Okay, I would say less than 1. Okay, so for maximum gain is 25 dB.
Okay.
That is at Z frequency. Okay,
Okay.
between X frequency and Y frequency,
Okay.
the variation should not be below 24 dB.
Okay. But here we are already linked with the phase, sir.
One
What is
second,
it?
one second. Train is crossing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, please.
Here we are also already involving with phase, sir. Actually,
Mhm.
one second. Suppose in our CST also, by changing the dimension, phase is changing, sir.
Yes.
Here, reflector array does not dealing with the phase, but here we are changing that phase, sir.
No, no, no. Reflector also deal with the phase, right? So phase only dictates
Okay.
the this
Bandwidth.
radiation pattern, right? So
Yes, sir.
collimation.
Yes, sir.
Because it's actually a parabola only. So parabola, what it does is same metallic plane. The parabolic reflector is causing the phase compensation. But here we are it is kind of artificial. We can say artificial dielectric or artificial anything you can say. Okay,
Oh, okay, sir.
so kind of artificially you are making that phase happens. Okay, for the planar surface. That's it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
gain I was telling, right? So 1 dB gain bandwidth means, so at Z frequency you are getting a gain as, for example, maximum gain as 25 dB. Okay. So
Okay.
between the left side and right side, or whatever it may be, so the gain variation should not be below 24 dB. So that
Okay.
point you have to take it. Okay. Then
Okay.
that is the your bandwidth, gain bandwidth. So there
Okay,
are a
sir.
number of other bandwidths also available. For example, circularly polarized means you will get, for example, axial ratio bandwidth is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
axial ratio should not go beyond 3 dB. That between
Okay.
that bandwidth, and you can
Okay.
say impedance matching bandwidth also is there. Return loss should not deviate, beyond 10 dB, 10 dB within that
Okay.
frequency. So you can
Okay.
say polarization also. For example, you are telling that your antenna will work for dual polarization. So what
Okay.
bandwidth it operate? Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
and you can say a pattern, radiation pattern bandwidth, which means
Okay.
a pattern will be symmetric, same pattern you are achieving for the so and so frequency. Then
Okay.
we call it as that is the bandwidth. So
Okay.
that is up to because the bandwidth is a relative parameter, right? So you can use
Okay.
any parameter to define bandwidth. That is what.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, one last doubt, sir. Suppose we are taking that focal length
Okay.
based on port one or edges of this horn. Which one we will
See,
take, sir?
in general, you can say check the phase center, right, in the horn
Yes, sir.
antenna.
Yes, sir.
What
Yes, sir.
distance it was there, phase center?
Actually, something I
No,
measured,
no, no.
sir.
Can you go back to your horn simulation? Yeah, here only it will be there. No, no, yeah, yeah, here only. Yeah. Can you? Okay. Can you right click it?
Sir. Far field
Far field
profile.
property. Uh,
Phase center.
yeah, yeah. Can you go to 3D plot? You will get that value.
Okay. Okay.
3D plot. 3D plot. No, no, no. Can you go to 3D plot? You will get that
Okay.
value.
Okay, sir.
3D plot. 3 dimension plot. Yes.
Yes, sir.
You are
Phase
getting
center.
right. So
Yes, sir.
what distance you are getting?
254.
254
Yes, sir.
x-axis, y-axis 241, and
Yes, sir.
z-axis
Six.
654.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I think
Yes, sir.
you are maybe offsetted that distance.
Okay.
Yes, okay, so this
Okay.
distance you have to keep in your mind while fixing the phase center. Okay,
Okay.
I'll
Okay.
show structure. It will show the phase center exactly. Yeah. Can you make structure transparent? Can you zoom out? Yeah. So where it is emanating?
Sir? Sorry,
No,
sir.
no, see, one more thing, you have to fix your horn antenna at the origin of the axis. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then only you will can find out the exact dimension. Otherwise, it will very very difficult for you to.
Uh,
I think you offset it.
yes, sir. Actually, this one modified.
Yeah. Here you can see
Yes, sir.
minus 70. Minus 70. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Here you can see see the where it exactly the phase center. Then you can just use that dimension.
Okay.
See, it
Okay.
is
Okay.
approximate only, so it is
Okay.
approximate. In general, see, in general, it will be at the mouth of the waveguide. Okay, sometimes,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
ideally, okay, and
Okay.
sometimes some papers I have seen that aperture of the horn antenna. Okay,
Okay. Yes, sir.
so it depends. So we can use this value.
Phase center.
So
Okay,
this
sir.
you can, if you want to find out exactly, then that is what you are doing. You are changing
Okay.
the focal distance and then optimizing that radiation pattern. Okay,
Okay,
that's
sir.
what you
Okay,
are
sir.
doing. Right? So indirectly, what you are doing is you are optimizing the focal distance with the respect to phase center. That's it.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, so that's I think it is well. Actually, I faced this multi-path problem, sir. I observed there are so many multiple reflected waves, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes,
No,
that's
no,
what.
no. See. Don't judge by one simulation. I'm saying that, see, you can just move the horn, I mean, focal distance here
Okay,
and there
sir.
uh, off the refractory or towards the refractory. Then you will
Okay.
come to know variation of the radiation pattern. At that
Okay,
time, not
sir.
doing that time, you reduce the mesh size. Okay. Mesh size
Okay.
and then do it quickly. Okay. You can just
Okay.
do it quickly. And then, once you log the focal distance, then you do the full run simulation, then again you can small fine tune you can do, right?
Okay, sir. Okay,
That's
sir. Okay, sir. So, okay, sir. That's correct, sir. Actually,
okay. Is there any other thing
uh,
you want to
uh,
discuss?
yes, sir. That's fine, sir. Actually, my doubts are clarified. Again, I want to try to simulation, sir. Based on
Okay,
the
okay.
harm feeding equation, all those things. And hello.
Yeah, yes.
Once I'm talking with you, my confidence level will be improving, sir.
Yeah, no problem, no
Actually,
problem. Please.
that's it. So, sir, that's fine, sir. Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
I will share the video, sir. To you.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thanks.